So we've just added a new tool, which is an Excel spreadsheet online. And the main reasons for this is because when I'm collecting data in some cases that I work, sometimes I want to put it into a notepad, and that's why we've got the online notepad. And sometimes I want to put it in an Excel spreadsheet just to be able to move that data around and analyze it a little bit better. So this just allows you to copy and paste any data into the spreadsheet on screen. And then once you've finished moving it around and sorting it out, you can save that as a CSV or an Excel workbook. But we also have another tool built into this, which allows you to scrape data from websites if it's stored on a table. And that's what this enter URL section is for. So I have a website here I'm using as a demo, and we can see there's a table on this website. And this table has 6 pages and a total of 57 entries. So we can only see part of the entries on the screen, so 10 on the screen at the moment. But if I grab the address for this website, enter the address in the form here and click Get Data, it'll go back to that website, identify where the table is and scrape the data. So we can see here, data retrieved. We click OK, it's now saying Table 1. If a website has multiple tables, it'll present an option here in the drop-down with which table you'd like data from. So now I can click Import Table, and we can see it's gone ahead and scraped every page. So it's retrieved the full 57 records from that website. And now we can download that into CSV format or XLS format. Now we look at another website that has some more tables on there. So we look at this website, we can see there's a few different tables on here and down the side here. Now these tables are laid out a little bit differently. Everything's in the one row, but there's a few different tables on this website. So if we go back to our spreadsheet, replace that website with the new one and click Get Data, we'll get the pop-up message, data's received, and we'll see there's multiple tables. So I can select table 4, import data, and we click table 3, 2. So there's a difference here. We can see everything's put into the one cell, and that's because that table down here just has everything in one cell. So that's a new Excel spreadsheet in our system. Have a bit of a play, see how you go. What it cannot do is pick up data from websites that do not use a standard table structure on the website. And any website where you have to log in, it will not pick up that information, because if you provide it with a direct URL, it's going to be behind a paywall. So it won't collect any information from tables that you have to log into on the website.